Traveling offers so many opportunities to learn about different customs and traditions. That's why I'm here in the Japanese town of Miama, which is known for its thatched roof homes. It's my starting point to learn about traditional Japanese architecture and meet the people who are working to keep those traditions alive. With more thatched homes than anywhere else in Japan, Kayabuki no Sato is the jewel of Miama.
僕はここで生まれ育ったんですが、この畑や田んぼで作った野菜、米なんかを食べながら暮らしてるんですが、
最初はここの景色がそんなに美しいとか思わなかったんですけど、都会の方が来られたり海外からお客様が来られて、だんだん自分の中でもこの村がね美しいところだなというふうに思えるようになってきました。
Japan's thatching technique, called kayabuki, was recently recognized as a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage. Today, only around 50 craftspeople still know how to build like this.
昔の人が愛して作ったものをやっぱり僕は未来に継承していきたい。これまで30年続けてきたけど、あと40年頑張りたいなと思ってます。
Haruo's son Tora organizes workshops to educate visitors on kayabuki.
日本の夏ってやっぱりすごい蒸し暑いんですよね。なのでこういうふうに束になった植物をやることによって通気性がまず優れています。
Thatched roofs must be replaced every 20 years. They take the old straw and they use it as fertilizer in the fields to grow new straw, so it's all completely circular and completely recycled. Thank you very much. After getting my official Kayabuki certificate, I settled in for the evening at the family's bed and breakfast. This house was built 150 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Tora was actually born in one of these rooms. I'm joining the family for dinner around the irori, a traditional sunken hearth.
この火を囲んで家族でこうやってお鍋を食べて家族の絆が深まるし、このいろりの火でかやぶきの屋根が長持ちするんですよ。
This is where I'm sleeping tonight. A traditional Japanese futon underneath this vaulted thatched roof. It feels like a different era. My next stop is Ozu. Often called Little Kyoto, the picturesque village on the Hiji River is surrounded by mountains. Ozu was once an attractive place to visit, but its population has halved since the 1950s. Locals began noticing its historic homes were disappearing too.
Here we have a very old house, maybe 100 years old, still standing there. And next to it, we have a void. There used to be a very beautiful house as well, but it disappeared. And not only here, over there as well, and over there.
Spanish researcher Diego Cosa Fernandez is part of an initiative to breathe new life into Ozu. Some vacant buildings have been transformed into trendy shops, highlighting work by local artists and artisans. Others are now luxury hotel rooms, scattered around the village. The project has won Ozu international acclaim for sustainable tourism.
One of our goals is just blending the local community with the newcomers and making this local community part of the project as well.
I'm ending my trip with a contemplative moment at one of Ozu's most visited institutions. Garyu Sanso's open-air tea house is where I'm taking part in my first Japanese tea ceremony. Balance and harmony are at the center.
Before drinking tea, you say, お手前頂戴いたします。
Easy. お手前
頂戴いたします。
頂戴いたします。
Yes. 一番を通しまして、お互いにリスペクト、思いやることが茶の湯の精神でございます。今日はそれを少し感じていただけたらありがたく思います。今日はありがとうございました。
Sometimes ancient traditions can feel surprisingly modern. My stay in Miama and Ozu has been a reminder that there is no future without the past.